Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. So friends, I hope you all are fine and doing well in your homes. So friends, as you can see that today I'm here to discuss such a very beautiful and a very attractive collection of stud earrings and earrings for you. So guys, it's very beautiful and a very attractive collection, so you can see that different stud earrings are here for you. So please watch the stunning and beautiful video of my channel till the end. And guys, you can purchase them from anywhere and you can wear them anywhere, anytime, whether you're on a birthday party or any casual event. So you can wear these type of earrings and stud earrings as well, because they're very simple, they're very decent, they're very innocent as well. So guys, these type of earrings are also handmade earrings, because people make them from their hands, and they are very pretty and they are very hard to wear. So guys, take care of yourself and your family, and please respect your parents and elders also, if you want a successful and a very beautiful life to spend. Guys, whether you're going on a birthday party, as I have told you before, so you can wear these type of earrings and stud earrings as well, and they are handmade. So you can buy from anywhere, and you can wear them in your homes as well, because it's not that difficult to purchase, and it's not that difficult that you don't make these type of stud earrings in your homes as well. So you can make and you can purchase and you can wear these type of stud earrings as well, because they're very simple, they're very decent as well. So guys, take care of yourself and your family, and please subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing my all videos. And thank you so much for your love and for your support. And you can wear these type of earrings and these type of stud earrings from any dress, and on any dress, whether you're wearing a frock or any type of shalwar kameez or any type of top or jean shirt, you can wear these type of stud earrings as well, because it's up to you and it's depend on you. I'm just giving you an advice. I'm not saying that you have to do this or that, I'm just advising. So coming back to our topic, please guys, subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing my all videos. And if you want to see my uploads earlier, and if you want to see more about fashion ideas, press the bell icon, because if you are not pressing the bell icon, so you can miss my videos. But if you are pressing, so you can never miss my any video, and you can see my fashion videos daily. So guys, my video almost has been ended. Take care of yourself and your family. Hope to see you soon, inshallah, with a new video and with a new fashion. Take care guys. Allah Hafiz. See you soon guys. Please respect your parents and remember me in your special and beautiful verse. Allah Hafiz.